Are you using Instagram to grow your business? By the end of this video, you'll have 3 new ways to drive traffic to your outside links, such as your YouTube videos, your website, or whatever else you want to drive traffic to. Let's go. Learn everything you want to know about social media to market your business online. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified so you don't miss a new video every Saturday. Today, I'm going to give you 3 options for sharing links on Instagram and driving traffic with your IGTV. Number 1 is going to be the regular single link in your bio. Now, you have to have a business account in order to have this option, but it's super easy to switch over to a business profile, and if you don't like it, you can switch back and nothing's going to get messed up. But you need to have that business profile to get this option. So you can use this one link option to put a clickable link in your bio. This is great if you only have one place that you need to send traffic to. But if you're like me, let's jump into number 2. Number 2 is going to be using an app. I specifically like to use InstaBio. You can see here on my Instagram page, I find it very helpful because I have multiple things that I might want to send traffic to. What a lot of people do is they create a post or a video telling people about the thing that they have created, and then you can say, click the link in my bio and click on how to grow your Instagram to check this out. And then that way people can easily click on the link and go to what you're trying to drive traffic to. If you have a better app or something new maybe that I'm not aware of yet, go ahead and put that down in the comments. Let's help each other grow our Instagram accounts and just use the best resources that are there for us. Let me know why you think it's any better than InstaBio and what are the different features. Now your third option is probably going to be my favorite. You can see I use IGTV a lot to promote my YouTube videos because you can create little trailers. You can put snippets from your actual video that will entice people. And the cool part is you don't have to send them to your bio and to the InstaBio and here, and here. You can just put that clickable link in the description. So you make your teaser or you put your snippet and then you direct your audience. Check out the description for the link to this full video. And then whenever they go to your description, they have the full link right there that's going to send them straight to wherever you're trying to get them to go to. Unlike a regular post where if you put a link there, it's not clickable, so people will have to copy and paste. And if they're on their phone, less likely to do that. So using your IGTV to drive traffic there is a very smart way, and then people can get a little tidbit of what you're sharing already instead of just an image that says, hey, go check out my new video. So it's just less steps. It's a little more of a seamless experience to try to drive more traffic to something that you've already put a whole lot of effort into. So these are my 3 tricks for today for linking out on Instagram and using IGTV. If you guys would like any more things like this, just let me know what you're interested in and I'll make a video for you. I love to do step-by-step tutorials because I get the ideas from the ones I do already whenever I have a question. I do the research, I go through the process, and then I make a video for you guys so that you don't have to search like me. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos on social media marketing. See you next time.